potion, food coloring, and vinegar and soda power. They're just below. But first, safety first. And let's do first the vinegar to number 6. First, let's take it to number 6. And if you did it wrong, let's do this because it's still everywhere. Okay? I'm kind of happy. A little bit nervous, but a lot happy. Okay, let me see. I never see the numbers. Oh, I did it wrong. I can fix that. Close. I did it to number 6. And we would do this too. And we would do it 2 colors. And this is only 1 color. But I just do it like this. First I need to add this. And just get the vinegar. Stop. 2, 7. It's okay. Don't do science experiments for yourself. Ask for around to help to open the can. Oopsie daisy. After it's okay, it's close to 6. Let's add the coloring now. First we need to use red. Yeah, red food coloring. 2 drops. 1, 2. It's almost red. It's so cool. I can't believe that worked. But we still need red and yellow. Okay, 1 coloring. It's okay. I can do this. I just happen to just close it out, and I just happen to slow to open it. Slow and mix it up to bake. Guys, look at this! I just did it in orange. And let's see this. Now mix, mix, mix. Wow! And I just did 2 coloring. I just did it pink. That's really crazy. And let's add. And I didn't know what was going to happen. And what is going to happen? Okay, guys, stay calm. If you want to do this, ask for grown-up for help. I'm kind of nervous. See that? Oh my goodness, that is super crazy. Let's do the other one. Oh wow. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't believe it. The bubbles is doing. And that's how you do the potion. Okay? If you want to watch more videos, subscribe to the like button. And subscribe and watch more videos and Anna's Space. Bye!